Hey there! Are you looking for effective ways to shed those unwanted pounds? Well, we've got some weight loss secrets just for you. Did you know that getting enough sleep can actually help you lose weight? It's true. When you're sleep deprived, your body releases a hormone called ghrelin, which increases your appetite. By getting a good night's sleep, you can keep that appetite in check. Your body also produces another hormone called leptin, which tells your brain when you're full. So, make sure to prioritize your shut-eye to manage your weight more effectively. But that's not all. We've got another secret weapon to help you on your weight loss journey. And it's as simple as drinking hot water on an empty stomach. When you drink hot water on an empty stomach, it helps to kickstart your metabolism. This, in turn, can aid in burning more calories throughout the day. Plus, hot water can help detoxify your body and improve digestion. Talk about a win-win. So, if you want to unlock the power of weight loss, make sure to prioritize sleep and start your day with a comforting cup of hot water. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found these weight loss secrets helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and wellness tips. Remember, a healthier you is just around the corner.